In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on EA app. If you'd like to use PayPal as your payment method when purchasing games, add-ons, or other eligible content in the EA app, you can do so during the checkout process. As long as PayPal is available in your region, linking it to your purchase is quick and easy. To get started, open the EA app on your PC and sign into your EA account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, browse the store or your library and select the game or content you'd like to purchase. After opening the product page, click the option to purchase the item. This will take you to the checkout screen where you can review your order before completing your purchase. On the payment page, look through the list of available payment methods. If PayPal is supported in your region, you'll see it listed as one of the available options. Select PayPal to continue. Once you've selected PayPal, the EA app will redirect you to the secure PayPal sign-in page in your default web browser or an embedded payment window. Sign into your PayPal account using your PayPal credentials and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the payment. After you've approved the transaction, you'll automatically be returned to the EA app to complete the checkout process. Take a moment to review your order details and payment information before confirming your purchase. Once the payment has been processed successfully, you'll receive a confirmation and your purchase will be added to your EA account. If you purchased a game, it will appear in your library, where you can access it whenever you're signed in to the EA app. If you don't see PayPal listed as a payment option, it may not be available in your country or for the type of purchase you're making. In that case, you'll need to choose one of the other supported payment methods shown during checkout. That's all there is to it. Paying with PayPal on the EA app is a convenient way to complete your purchases while using your preferred payment method, provided it's available in your region. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,